How to activate your Discover credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to activate your Discover credit card in just a few simple steps. First, once your card arrives, you can assign the back of your secure card for security reasons. Then you can open up your web browser and go to discover.com/activate. And what you need to do next is simply go ahead and uh, enter the credit card number or any other information required, such as your social security number or date of birth, then click on submit. Once your information is verified, your card will be activated immediately and ready for use. You can now make purchases online, in store, and manage your account through the Discover's website or even the mobile application. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you are verified with your card and your card is activated. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.